Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. The pump went bad on it. We think this is because of issues with bad water, and so it's just really important to check your water, and if you have bad water, to be taking proper precautions such as using bottled water or us having a reverse osmosis system or something like that. So let's go ahead and test the machine. Yeah, we're getting a pretty good shot. It's taking a little bit longer than I would normally like. The machine might have some other issues going on, but the customer didn't want to do any more repairs on it. But once again, all the debris, kind of calcium that the machine's been sucking up probably affects its performance. And it really needs to be all cleaned out to get it up and functioning properly. But the customer decided not to do that, so this is where we're at. And thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.